Hello. The value that I want to talk about is the value of life and how in both of the readings there the topic of abortion came up on several occasions, and I feel like this is one of those hot button topics that everyone has their own um, take on, but I feel like for me, because of some of the circumstances in my life regarding pregnancy, that I highly value life, but I also highly value a woman's right to choose. And because of that right to choose, I think that I would be able to advocate for a woman in this situation. Um, I see myself being able to see more than one side of the issue and how a woman might choose this. I feel like as a counselor, my role would be to guide and help give information so that my client had all the information about all the options that she was interested in, and then from there give recommendations as needed for abortion or adoption, um, or even how to help her be a single mother if that's what she chooses, but not to let my high value on life as a mother to enter into my ability to counsel this client. Um, I feel like I would also have to check into my state laws because one of the cases was about a 14-year-old girl who was pregnant and considering abortion, but the state laws have information about consent. And so I would want to be certain that I knew what the laws were regarding consent so that my client could be educated as to what she may have to do in order to truly get that abortion that she might be seeking. And if the whole point is to not tell parents or to keep it a secret, that won't be possible for someone underage that wants to do this. They will have to have consent of some sort. And I want to be sure that I give them proper information. Um, I would have some value issues with girls having multiple abortions, I think, like using it as birth control. Um, but there's also a very small percentage of women that get abortions that have been raped or have been involved in incest. So I think more and more people are getting them for different reasons. And I would just have to be careful of that and seek supervision if needed.